In this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom URL for YouTube channel. So when you create a YouTube channel, by default, your channel URL looks like this, and it's for every creators or channels on YouTube. So if you want to make it look like this, now that's the main reason I created this video. Now, without wasting your time, let's get started with our video. Now, before changing your channel URL, there's a certain requirement you need to meet. So first, your channel needs to have at least 100 subscribers. Second, your channel needs to be 1 month old. Then lastly, you need to make sure profile picture and channel banner is uploaded on your YouTube channel. So once you meet all these requirements, a set custom URL will be enabled on your YouTube channel. To set it to custom, these are the steps you need to follow. So first, go to your YouTube channel, then on your channel homepage here, just click on a profile icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. Then on this pop-up menu, click on YouTube Studio. Next, on your YouTube Studio here, go to your left hand menu, scroll down and click on customization. Under channel customization, click on info tab right here. Under this tab, scroll down to channel URL here. First link right here is what I told you earlier. You are given by default once your channel is created. To make a custom URL, just click on set a custom URL for your channel down here. Then next, you'll be shown two ways to customize your channel URL. So first, channel name will be added at the end of this link right here. The second option, YouTube new, you'll probably want to add something at the end of your customized channel name, right? And they enabled this option down here. So what you can do here, you can just click here and add letters or numbers at the end of your channel name. Then once you're done, to save your changes, just click on publish in the top right hand corner of your screen, and we'll have made custom URL for your YouTube channel. Now from there, it will be easy for your followers or fans to find you on YouTube without any problem. So guys, that's how you can make a custom URL for YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.